What's up guys, this is Ali and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today in this video we have the Google Home Mini and the chalk color. So here's a look at the box. It is some compatible apps and devices are Google Chromecast, Spotify, YouTube, Wemo, Google Photos, Philips Hue, Netflix, Spotify and Nest. You can see them here. Also here's some other text. Here are some of the commands or rather questions which you can ask it. Let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so got a little strip that we have to take off, and there is the Google Home Mini itself. The bottom is rubberized and it is orange. I don't know whether you can see that, but there is a Google logo over there. Here is where the power port goes in. It's a micro USB. It is not a USB type C, which is very sad. Here's the mic mute if you want to mute it for any reason. Just going to go ahead and set that aside. Look at what else is inside the box. If we just get this open, sorry, put that aside, and looks like we've got some quick start guides. Let's get started. How to get to know your Google Home Mini, and looks like a be safe warranty. And here is the power adapter. As I said, it is a micro USB, and here's the AC adapter, and it's in a circular shape. Feels nice, and again, I don't know whether you can see it, but there's the Google logo there. I don't think anything else in the box, so we're just gonna set that aside. We're going to go and connect this to power. Just going to go ahead and power it on. And there it is. Seems to be loading. Okay, so
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to be back with you guys in just a minute. Okay, so I've gone ahead and downloaded the app. I'm just gonna go ahead and press get started. Okay, so it says to sign in.
Your Google Home isn't set up yet. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and sign in and get back with you guys. Okay, so I was just signed in. Gonna go ahead and confirm that. Choose a home. Create another home. Home nickname, I just named it Tim. Go ahead and press done. Next. Turn on Bluetooth. Bluetooth is needed to set up your device. Okay, so looks like we need to turn on Bluetooth over here. Go back into the app. Okay, so it's searching for devices. Okay, so it's gonna go ahead and press next. So it's connecting. And it's done. Okay,
1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69. 70. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. 100. 101. 102. 103. 104. 105. 106. 107. 108. 109. 110. 111. 112. 113. 114. 115. 116. 117. 118. 119.
Yes, I did hear the sound. Okay. Okay. So just gonna go ahead and press family room. I'm just gonna go next. Okay. Select the Wi-Fi password. One moment. Okay, press connect. It's connecting to the Wi-Fi now. Okay, so it's connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, next. Okay, just turn on. Okay, so it's setting it up now. Voice match helps you identify your voice and device. Why? Okay, I agree. Okay. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. So it just asked me to say those, and now it's setting up voice match. Just about done. Says it should take less than a minute. Okay, your voice has been set up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press agree. Okay, choose your assistant's voice. Let's put a sample.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant. If you like this voice and want me to keep using it, just stop here.
It's gonna go ahead and press the voice one. Okay, hello. Yeah, okay, just gonna just gonna go and press next. Latest features. No thanks. Just gonna set it up later. Okay. We're all done with that. Now it's installing. Update. Okay, I'll meet you after it's done updating. Okay, so now it says family room speaker is ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and press continue.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Okay, so it's some things that you can ask. Tell me a joke. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Parallel lines have so much in common. It's a shame they're never going to meet.
So let's give it a joke. It's gonna go and finish setup. Okay, so we are done. Here is named Tim, and here is the speaker. So it's gonna, and there is the tab to add other stuff, other speakers. It's gonna go and set the iPad aside. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing and setup of the Google Home Mini, and that's it for this video. Hey Google, bye.
Take care.